Today I'm gonna talk about Boeing 737 series outsourced its software service to outside $9 an hour contractors. This news is from Bloomberg, and its main people at stake are the Boeing companies and also the customers as well as the outside contractors. This is a moral challenge of if a company that can lead to death should reduce costs with the sacrifice of their service. Recently, there are several deadly crashes of 737 MAX series raised people's attention that if government should regulate the company to reduce the deadly crashes and balance the cost and also the moral standard.